In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing and a complete setup of your HP LaserJet Pro 4001NE printer. So first we will do the unboxing. So that's the leaflets, power cable, switch on the printer, so press the power button. So we just have to wait for the printer to start properly. Go to the web browser, type in hpsmart.com/activate, open the web browser. You have to create an account or you have to sign in with the existing account. If you are going to use it for the business, then click on the business use. For home, scroll down and click on the home use and click as select. Click on the continue. Select accept all printing services. Now enter the printer pairing code. So once it will ask the pairing code, it will print the pairing code and you just have to key in the pairing code in your HP Plus account, and then it will activate the printer. It will enroll you to the HP Plus instant ink. So whenever the ink is low, automatically it sends the message to the HP and they will send a replacement ink toner. Now this printer is good for the business use because you don't have to worry when the ink is getting out, so automatically it will get ordered. But if you are at home, you just want it for the home purpose, there are other printers you can use. If you are using this printer at home and if you don't want to join the HP Plus, then you can buy any other printer, then you should not go for this. So it's good if you are already enrolled in the HP Plus or if you want to join the HP Plus. So that's the setup of the printer and a review. Thanks for watching.